In this video, I will show you how to use Pandas for creating data frame and how to write CSV file using your data frame, or how to read and write CSV file. So first of all, you need to install Pandas by using command pip install Pandas and press shift plus enter. After that, you need to import import Pandas as pd. And first I'm creating a data frame, then I will write data frame. So for creating data frame, you need to create data dictionary, and inside this I will use name of students, Rehan, Mahira, roll number 20 and 21. So this is my data. Now I will create data frame pd.DataFrame and pass your data here and press enter. I will also print this data. So data frame is created. Now you need to use to CSV method, data frame to CSV, and enter your file name. So file1.csv and press enter. So this will write a file with file1.csv name. Here you can see file is data CSV file is created. Now I will use this CSV file. So for using this CSV file, you need to use a read CSV. So I will use new data frame and pd.read CSV and pass the file name. Press shift enter. New data frame is uh, this data from this CSV file is stored in this new DF. Now you can test by printing this. Press shift plus enter. So this is how you can create your data frame, and you can write your data frame into CSV file, and this is how you can read CSV file from the data frame from the CSV file as a data frame. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.